Hello everyone and welcome to our video on network security. In today's world, technology has become an integral part of our daily lives, and with the rise of technology, cyber threats have become a major concern. The purpose of this video is to educate our viewers on the importance of network security and how to protect their devices and data from malicious attacks. So, let's start with the basics. What is network security? Network security refers to the practices and measures taken to protect a computer network from unauthorized access, theft, or damage to its data. It involves the implementation of firewalls, antivirus software, intrusion detection and prevention systems, and encryption to protect your network from external threats. Now, you may be thinking, why do I need network security? Well, the answer is simple: to protect your sensitive information from falling into the wrong hands. Let's take a look at the different types of cyber threats you need to be aware of. There are various types of cyber threats such as malware, phishing, and ransomware that can cause harm to your network. Malware refers to malicious software that can infect your device and steal your personal information. Phishing is a type of cyber attack that involves tricking users into giving away their personal information by pretending to be a trustworthy source. Ransomware is a type of malware that locks your device and demands payment in exchange for your files. So, how can you protect your network from these cyber threats? The first step to protecting your network is to keep all your software and systems up to date. This includes updating your operating system, browser, and antivirus software. Another important step is to use strong passwords and change them regularly. You should also be wary of suspicious emails or links, and avoid clicking on them. Additionally, it is important to regularly back up your data in case of a cyber attack. In conclusion, network security is essential in today's digital age. By following the steps mentioned in this show, you can protect your network from cyber threats and ensure the safety of your sensitive information. Until next time, stay safe and secure. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.